Welcome assistants to my greatest winter experiment yet. Today we shall uncover the science of instant ice growth.
Instant ice sounds chilly.
Does this involve snacks? Because I'm freezing, and a banana popsicle sounds amazing right now.
I thought we were just making snow forts.
Focus team. Science demands precision, not snowball fights. First, we supercool the water, then
is this part of the plan? Hot chocolate glaciers.
minor setback, onward. Behold, a single touch, and this water will turn into ice instantly.
Hot chocolate glaciers. This is the best experiment ever.
Science is all about unexpected results.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more awesome content. And don't forget to smash that like button. Thanks for the support. See you in the next video.